See, I have this that I have done this rendering. Added this lights, extra lights.
Okay, 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 okay. Don't give white color. If possible, give yellow is a little this
Okay,
kind of colors. Hmm.
okay.
It will.
It's not pure white actually. It is slightly yellowish. I'll increase more the yellowish.
Hmm. Hmm. Oh,
This is a test render, sir. I could not find time. No, morning I was not there. So last minute I had to do this just to show you.
hmm. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Coming good.
Okay.
Yes. So it's clear, no? Any doubt?
Yeah, it's clear.
Anything to ask?
No, nothing, sir. It's clear so far.
Okay, then only thing left is to do the final render. Make the
Yeah.
changes with the windows, huh? Make
Yes, sir.
some
But
tiny.
I'll make the changes with the windows. Then I'll take the final render along with the passes.
Passes and the passes.
Okay.
And you have passes for the day view.
Yes, I have the passes for the debut.
Okay, so if there's nothing much left to do in the night render, we can uh, go for the color correction for the day view.
Fine.
What you
Okay.
say?
Correct. We can go for color
Yeah,
correction.
for night is nothing left much to do over here. Only
Okay.
the windows change a bit.
Yeah.
Some random windows add.
The random windows, I'll change it, and
High
I'll take
res.
the final render with the high
Final
resolution
high res is only
with
left.
the passes with the elements, pass elements.
The IS light is, I think, is too bright. It's going too
This
much
one.
of white. Yes.
Yes, that I will change it. I will
Yeah,
take a
little bit
different
of.
IS and I will make it more of yellowish.
Yes, yes. That is a little bit of tweak only
Okay,
left. Nothing else. It's good.
nothing else. Right.
Yeah, go for final one. Final
So
render.
even near the car, it is more visible now because of the light.
Yeah, the car is, yes, it's coming good. Yes, coming
Yes.
good. It's perfectly
The
good.
tail light I have to adjust. I forgot about that. I'll even try
Yes,
to
yes,
put a
yes.
light for the tail light. Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
And this street light, sir, how is it? Enough, no? The
Good, good, good.
intensity is enough now.
Good, good. Go to the folder where you have saved all the passes.
This one, sir.
The folder, yes, yes. Just open the folder.
Open.
Okay, so today we will see how we can use Photoshop for our final color correction with
Okay.
the help of the render passes which we have took in our final render of day view,
Okay. Okay.
elevation day view.
Okay.
So we have this render passes.
Okay.
First we start with the alpha. Just drag one jpg, this
Alpha.
image alpha single on Photoshop.
Okay.
Now go back to the this
Folder.
folder
Okay.
and select all other images.
You need the RGB also?
Yes, yes, from effect result to wire color. Yes, entire image. Yes, just drag drop that on the, yes, just on top of it. Yes, just press enter, keep on pressing enter. Yeah, keep on pressing enter.
Yeah. Done.
Okay, all came. Now make a group of all the this whatever we have imported. Make a group because there are some other layers also come, so it's good to make a group below. Yes, just click over there. Yes, it will be a group. Okay, fine, fine. Now open the group and close the I button of all the other except the alpha. Okay,
Okay.
now on top of alpha you have to bring the effect result
Okay.
in the last
So
second.
this I have to bring now.
Yes,
Okay.
bring it down, effect result just on top of alpha. Okay,
Yes. Okay.
so this will be with the main base render output,
Okay.
and on top of that we will have to get RGB color, the top one.
Uh, top.
RGB, yes.
Okay.
uh, yes, on the icon. Now this
Okay.
RGB color will help to in little bit contrast. Okay,
Okay.
click on the RGB. It should
Okay.
be selected, and on normal there you see the property normal, you have to select. I'm just telling you what I used to do for my color correction, and
Okay.
first follow this and then you can use your own ideas. Okay.
Fine, sir.
So
Fine.
here for day view, I take linear dodge. Take linear.
Linear dodge.
See
Okay.
there. Yes. Then reduce the this opacity. Adjust a bit.
Enough, sir. 25.
25 is good. Yes. Just on off the eye icon.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Enough. Good. And then go to extra texture. Extra texture it is there only.
Express is already there. Yes.
Just on the icon, and then take it to color burn. See color burn.
Uh,
Color burn there after multiply only there. Top.
yes, sir. Okay.
Reduce the no, not the color burn. Take multiplier there.
Multiply. Yes, sir.
Reduce the opacity. Can you zoom a bit to the edge? Any edge? Yes. Just see the value of the darkness on the edge. On off.
You can see, sir.
Yeah. The shadow. Yeah. There should be a soft shadow. Increase the intensity. How much it is? 35.
35.
Increase a bit more. Maybe 45. Okay. Zoom out. This on off the icon.
Okay. You can see, sir, no?
Too much for the trees.
Yes.
Too much for the trees. Reduce that. Reduce to 30% only. Just on off. Okay. Let it be for now.
For now, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see later. Okay. After extra texture, we go for global illumination. Where the global illumination?
It's here.
Yes. Just on that.
Okay.
Make it soft light. Reduce soft light. No.
Okay.
You're doing on the extra texture. Yeah, make sure which layer you have selected. Extra texture. Go to extra texture. Yeah, that is multiplier we have took now.
Multiply.
No, global illumination.
Yes, correct. Global illumination.
Yes. Soft light.
Soft light.
Reduce that. Maybe 5 or 10% only. Yes, just on off the icon. It will help you to increase the contrast. Just
Okay.
little bit only. Yes, enough.
10% is okay, sir.
10% is okay. Yes.
Fine.
And then lighting is there.
Lighting is there. Where lighting is there?
Yes, on. Yes, select the layer. Yes, and then soft light for this also.
Soft light.
Yes.
Okay.
Reduce 5-10% only. Just too little bit of contrast. Just on and off. See. Yes, little bit of darkness is there. Yes, enough. Reflection. Yeah, reflection. On the reflection. Yes.
Screen.
Screen. Reflection is screen. Now you have to zoom and see the reflective object. Maybe the car, maybe the this thing road. Go near the that is more reflective now. Just on off the eye icon of reflection. See how much reflection is there. I think this much is enough. How much you did? 35.
I did no, sir. 35.
35. Now just on off once again. On off the eye icon.
Yeah.
Increase it. Make it 50. Just make it 50. When you increase the values, don't type the number. Otherwise, it suddenly increase. You will not see the difference properly.
Okay.
Try
so
to
gradually.
yeah. Click on the small arrow sign, no, there,
And
then drag. Yes, just do up and down, and then you will get a much better idea how much it. It's not just 50. You can do 45, 49, 52. It can be like that also.
Fine.
Just drag up and down and see how much reflection is needed. Don't be too much.
Fine.
Otherwise, it will be white color all around.
Fine.
Okay.
Fine.
So we will take 50 for now.
Okay.
Then refraction. See this reflection. Yes. Select the clear on it. again screen, take screen again. See the transparent glasses, where the transparent, maybe on the car
The
also it is there.
car and windows.
Windows are transparent. Just see, only the car glass I think is transparent too. Yeah.
Okay.
Let it be 50. 50 is give you good result.
Right. Sir.
A specular, and there I think specular is the layer. Yes. On the eye icon and select specular screen. It will become on a metal with the metallic object you have created.
Okay.
Go to
So
the
car or
car
this
or
one.
any other. Can you make the see the difference just on the eye icon on and off? You see
No much of difference.
little bit of reflection difference is there. Okay, okay, fine, fine. It's okay.
On the plants we can see, sir.
Plants you see?
Yeah, see, you can see
Okay,
the plants.
okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Nice, nice,
You
nice.
can see the plants. You want me to increase more?
No, no, 50% is good, good. No, no.
Okay.
Total lighting, on the total lighting.
Yes. I'll bring the total lighting.
On the icon, take
Okay.
it screen there, property,
Okay.
reduce around 50%, make it 50%. Yes, just on off the icon, I button again. Reduce a bit more, reduce it a bit more. Maybe 40 will work. Okay, yes.
Sufficient, sir?
Okay, okay, nice, 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 nice. Reduce a bit more. We will going to use some effects. Make it 30.
Okay.
Okay, let it be.
Okay.
Nice. Now close this group. This is, and you have all the material ID for
Yes, sir. Material
future.
lighting.
Yeah, future material ID are there for future.
We need we need a Vira shadow?
No, 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 no. I don't
Not
use
required.
Visual Studio. No, no, no.
Okay.
That's all. That's all. That's all for the this passes. Now we
Okay.
will use the color correction of Photoshop. Close this and go below. Downward you see, yeah, that one. Yes, click there
Okay.
and add a photo filter.
Okay.
Make it cyan. Take cyan there. After green there is cyan. No. Yes, cyan. Yes. Reduce the value density. Bottom. Don't close it. Density reduce and see. First make it 0. First make it 0.
Okay.
Okay, this is the default what we have
Okay.
currently.
Right.
Now so slightly increase. Enough. Wait. Okay, enough. This is enough. Good. On off icon. Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Okay, next again come to below. Come below there. Click there. Okay, photo filter, and then we have what? Take hue saturation.
Okay.
Now increase the saturation value and look at the green trees. The green color will get more effect. Okay, I think enough. That is enough. Okay, that is enough. Now again come down. We'll take some more effects. Okay, what we have hue saturation, exposure. We take later on. We'll try exposure, but not by exposure, but with the help of curve. Take curve.
Okay.
With the help of curve, we try to increase the exposure. Now, over here,
Okay.
click on the this. No, not there.
Okay.
On the center. Just click on the center and drag it up. Yes, slightly. Yeah, it will increase the exposure value.
Okay.
Okay, for now we will leave as it is.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Just on off the icon, you can see the exposure
The
is
difference.
increased. Yes. Okay. Okay, come down again. We'll see some new effects. So we have done curve. Now brightness and contrast.
Okay.
Alright. Increase brightness slightly. Okay, enough. Now increase contrast. Little bit. Okay. Reduce. It's too much. I think you need to zoom a bit. Zoom area where you can see the shadow. Where you can see the contrast shadow. Yes.
Yes.
And you just see reduce the contrast, reduce and increase. Take some time, adjust it. There should not be too much of darkness.
Okay. Enough, sir?
30 is very high. Make it 25, 20, 20, 25. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, zoom out a bit. Okay. Okay, good. Just on off the exposure button. Eye icon. Okay, nice.
Okay.
Nice. Again, come down. Let's see what else is left. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Now, select all the new this layers and make it another group. The new passes that we got. Yes, make it a group. Okay, this is the color correction of your Photoshop. Okay.
Fine, sir.
Now, 1 second. What else is left? Sharpness. Only sharpness is left. Press Ctrl Shift Alt E. Ctrl Shift Alt E. All together.
Done.
Okay, you got a copy. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now we need to add a filter over. Go to filter there. Sharpness. Little bit of sharpness is needed. Yeah, go to smart sharpness. Last second. Yes. And then zoom a bit to the edge, any edge. Go to the edge. There only you can see the sharpness value. Just zoom. Yes, click. Yes. Enough. Now you have there is a amount. No, right side you see the amount 40%.
Okay.
There, just slide it, increase and decrease, and see the sharpness. Okay, stop. There is a preview button now. Just click on off preview. There only top.
It's on, sir.
Yeah, just on off.
It's on.
Acha, just drag it and make it this. Bring this window down a bit. No, this window. Click on the top. Drag it down more. I want to see the background. Just click and drag it down.
This one. Okay.
No, not this. No, not this.
Okay.
This smart sharpen. Yes. More. Bring it down more.
Okay.
Now on off the preview. Can you make out the difference?
Little bit, sir.
Then increase the amount. From here, it's a little bit blur, so I am not able to see. Just see by yourself. On off the preview and see.
I can see on this window, sir.
It should not be too hard.
You can see on this window.
No, actually it is blur from my end, so
Okay.
I try to see the another part, maybe toward the car and all. Toward the car or the vehicle. See, the sharpness should not be too high. You see the car, this front, that thing, the engine. There you can make out the lines.
Yeah.
It should not be too hard. Yes, there. I think this much is enough.
Okay.
Yeah, just make it okay.
You can make the. You can feel it.
Yes. Now it is
You can see it now.
visible. Yes.
So it is about
150.
150. I'll keep it. Okay. Enough.
Yes, just keep okay. Yeah, just on off the eye. Yes, eye icon and see the difference. Yes.
So you can see on the trees. You can see the sharpness on the trees.
Yes, coming properly. Yes. Zoom out a bit. Yes, so finally we have completed.
Okay.
Hmm. Now we have pass. Now I leave up to you. We have
Okay.
render ID. Those are the IDs. If you want to select any particular element or color, you can do
Okay.
it with the help of
Okay.
ID,
Yes,
and
sir.
increase and decrease the value of exposure or contrast or light or shadow if you want to do. For example, the
Okay.
reflection on the road. If you want to increase the reflection,
Okay.
uh, select the road ID,
Yes,
and
that I'm doing it, sir.
yes, yes, that tweak you
Now
can do.
here, now here you can give more to whiteness, or should we temper this, or we leave it as it is a white color?
Yes, yes, yes. This is the base which we have created. Now, if you want to
Okay.
tweak more,
Okay.
that depend upon you. I'm okay
Okay.
with this. I'm happy with this. Is coming
Okay.
good.
Okay.
Day view is coming good. Now
Okay.
depend upon you if you want to increase the darkness a bit or the lightness. Use the
Okay.
material. This IDs.
IDs, and I can
Yeah.
tweak that, whatever
Individually.
that.
Yeah. Take create mask and
Okay.
you can do that.
Okay.
Okay, just zoom the shadow of the this human element is there. Just zoom over there, no? Just want to see the shadows coming properly or not. Okay, shadows coming. Yeah, shadows good, good,
Yes.
good, good. Just want to see the shadows.
Okay.
Okay, it's nice. It's coming nice. See, it. I think it is too much of this sharpness is there. Just zoom on the body or the face of the human being over there. Just zoom a bit toward the human being. Yes, yes, yes. Can you on off the first layer, the topmost layer of the sharpness layer? Yes. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's blur from before only. It's blur.
All right, that now it
Yes.
is okay.
A little bit of sharpness is there. Okay, sharpness is good. Sharpness is good.
Okay.
Mm-mm-mm. I tell you one thing. Even for the day view now, we add little bit of glow effect on the light, a light object we have, like the headlight of our car
Okay.
and
Okay.
the lamppost. What we will
Okay.
do,
Yes.
I have to
Okay.
show that on my computer because it will
Fine, sir.
just see my computer now, what I'm trying to say. See, for even for day view, I have used little bit of glow effect over here.
Right, sir. Correct.
Two things I would like to show over here. One is
Okay.
glow effect, and second is the uh, I forgot the lens flare. This lens flare.
Fine, sir.
Two things I had used on day view also, and also there is little bit of is what you say self illumination on windows, on even on day.
Fine.
I
Fine,
have
sir.
used
Hmm.
over here. Let's take take now what how I have done lighting of my car. I will going to explain that. Okay.
Okay.
So suppose this is my all merged layer. Okay. So create a new layer. Control Shift Alt and N. Okay. You
Okay.
get a new layer. Alright.
Okay.
Now press B. B for brush.
Okay.
And here left side you can see my computer screen, right?
Yeah, I'm seeing it, sir.
You can alright. So left
Hmm.
side just click on the top color over here and select light yellow. Light yellowish
Okay.
color. Alright.
Okay.
And then increase the size with the help of bracket as
Okay.
much is needed
Okay.
to cover the area over here. You see the yellow tint over here, no?
Correct, sir.
The
Correct.
bloom effect. Those
Yes.
just trying to create those bloom effect, no? The
Okay.
whatever glowing object is there, light.
Okay.
Just as per the size of that light, increase your radius, and
Okay.
just click once, twice, thrice as needed.
Okay.
I have
Okay.
reduced my opacity. Just make a note. It's like 75 and 20. Flow is 25.
1 second, sir.
75, 25,
Opacity is 75
and
and flow
flow
is
25.
25.
Yeah,
It is in normal, right?
yeah. Normal, normal, no, normal, normal.
Normal mode. Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
normal mode. So,
Okay.
so what happened now? I will not get a very hard color of this yellow color. I need a very
Oh,
soft. So this
okay.
is like a bloom. If you see, I'm doing over in a blank space. You see,
Okay.
very suddenly. If I want it to more visible, I just click 2 3 times.
Okay.
You see, so just give a glow effect or a bloom kind of effect. It will create. Okay.
Fine, sir.
Now it is yellow color, so I need to change a bit. So what I have to do? I did, suppose I did on my light object, na, just 2-3
Yes.
times. How much I needed,
Okay.
I just clicked over here
Okay.
and go to normal over here and change it to screen. The
Okay.
screen will give a glow effect. You see?
Okay. Correct.
I will on off. You
Okay.
see?
Yes, sir.
Now this light object is starting glowing, no?
Okay.
It's
Correct.
giving a bloom effect.
Okay.
It will not be visible on the this areas, dark
Okay.
areas, but the white area where the light object you have, but
Okay.
you have to create that based on this 3ds Max as well. You
Okay.
have to create some light object, and on
Okay.
top of light object, if you create the give this effect, no, see, it will give a bloom effect.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Now this is the first part. The
Okay.
second part is to add a lens flare. You
Okay.
see this rays over here.
Correct.
Can you make out this
Yes,
this
sir.
one?
Yes. Yes.
This one only. Now that is the
Yes.
lens effect. I
Okay.
have already downloaded few.
Okay.
Let me first start with that. Then I will show you how to download that as well. There are lots
Okay.
of lens effect over there in internet.
Okay.
See, you see this kind of lens effect.
Yes, sir.
Let me use this. This is my favorite one. This I will drag it out here. This is high res, so it's good because we need high res files only. So make sure you have a dark color background and some yellowish or orangish kind of light effect.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Prasanna, can you hear me? I can hear you. Hello. Wait, I will message you. I can hear you. Hello, Prasanna. Wait, I changed. I will rejoin again. Otherwise, I will rejoin. I hello. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yes, you can hear me now. Okay, okay, fine,
Yes.
fine.
Yes.
I
One
will
second.
just
I'll share.
share, and even I will share my computer screen.
Yes. Yeah. Now I can see.
1 second. Just give me 1 second now. Try to adjust a bit.
You can see my screen, sir.
I can see your screen, but there are 4 screen coming right now. You can see over here that
Yes.
3-4 screen are coming all together. Can you see my
Oh.
screen?
Yeah.
Yes, you see this is
No.
some new features added over here.
4 screens have come. I don't know.
Four
How.
yes. If I want to pin only your screen, then also I see 3 screens over here on my right.
Okay.
This should not be there.
Okay.
Anyway, we have we have to see some options how to tackle this.
Yeah, now it's come, sir,
Yeah.
full screen.
Can you see my screen? No.
Yeah, I can see. I can see that lens flare you have brought it in
Yes, I am
inside.
trying to move this. It's moving.
Okay.
Can you
Yes,
see?
it's
Okay.
smooth. Yes.
Okay, so first part we have completed. We added a glow effect, a bloom
Okay.
effect over here, right?
Okay.
We created a bloom effect, and now we bought a lens flare to give a light effect. This one.
That bloom effect is that color we brought in. Okay, along with the brush. Okay,
Yes,
then
yes, yes,
converted to screen.
yes.
Converted to screen.
Screen.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yes. Yes.
yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Hmm. Okay.
Now light effect we need to add.
Um,
So just try to get this kind of image where you see the background is entirely dark
okay.
and some light source, maybe yellow color. Give preference to this kind of yellowish oranges color. Give you
Okay.
more it just look good. It look good.
o-
And
Okay.
then go to normal over here and just turn to screen. Turn it to
Okay.
screen option. You
Okay.
see
Okay.
only
Yes.
light object is visible. Little bit of
Yes.
extra part might be visible over here, the name and all, which you can
Correct.
mask it later on.
Okay.
So you can easily mask that. Just reduce
Okay.
the size as you need,
Okay.
and just place on the proper location where you want it, maybe
Okay.
somewhat like this,
Okay.
and reduce the opacity. It should not be very bright.
Okay.
People should able to see the background also
Okay.
a bit. You see,
Yes.
I will try to on off.
Fine.
And now I make a group of this two so that you can see the difference.
Okay.
You see, before it was like that. Okay.
Now it is okay. Okay.
Now after applying the effect, it look more realistic, no? Like bloom
Okay.
effect is there and the light effect is there.
Okay.
Same step, same process. Apply all the light source over here.
Okay. Copy
Because
that and keep on adding that. And
yes, same step. Try to do same step for all the light object. But
okay.
it's a daytime, so I didn't make it too high. See,
Okay.
this just little slightly is there.
Okay.
It is there, but very of less amount.
Fine, sir.
Everywhere it is there, but of less
Okay.
amount. And
Okay.
one lens flare extra as a sun lens flare I have used it.
Okay.
It's a different one. I think it's not over here. Maybe some other, but the same step.
Okay.
Same kind of lens effect, only convert to screen, and you get this kind of sun lens effect coming over here.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Okay, and this extra part I have illuminated so that this getting a much more lighter. And see, you see the difference, no?
Yeah.
This edge I am making it a little more brighter. This is a little more bloomed out,
Okay.
and the other part should be less bloomed out.
Okay.
So this is just
That
final
see,
tweak.
that is again you use the lens flare, sir.
This is your ID selection ID, and with the help of that, with the help
Okay.
of lens flare, you will get this kind of effect over here. The leaf and all you can see.
Yes, sir.
This effect you will get. Is
Okay.
if you just try it out. If you will not get from lens flare, just select the ID,
Okay.
and there you have this passes. Now with the help of passes, you remember the last passes we did is the, I think it's total lighting, no?
Yeah.
Total lighting will help you to get extra illumination over here,
Fine.
and then mask the area. Some
Okay.
person will get higher the light, some will not get the higher light, less light.
Fine,
Some
sir. Fine, sir.
try to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the final result. See, I also have used that what you say, hard edges.
Okay.
The effect we have used, no, over here. It's
Sharpen.
look sharpen, yes, sharpen one.
Okay.
Little bit of sharpen I use over here.
Okay.
So that will be the your last step to create
Okay.
gloom effect wherever is needed, and the
Oh,
lens. I will
fine.
try to
Fine.
Google it out and also show you just how to download those. Just type
Okay.
here lens 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 effect.
Okay.
Go to images. You will get lots of. You see over here.
Yeah.
This you can use for the sun.
Okay.
This kind of circles. See this over here. The rays. This is looking so nice, no? You
Okay.
get sun rays and this kind of colorful circles.
Okay.
Just decrease the opacity. This will be like too much of effect.
Yes.
Try to reduce the opacity, and it will be like more like give you a more realistic result.
Okay.
You can use this kind of effect if you're using what you say. Uh, uh, I forgot the word. Like blur kind of effect you use. The some portion is which is more closer to camera will be highlighted.
Okay.
A focal length kind of things, no?
Okay.
There you can use this kind of lens flare effect. So lots of lens
Okay.
flare effect depend upon your
Okay.
creativity.
Right, sir.
It's open market. Everything is available on internet.
Yeah.
I have given you an idea of
Okay.
how you can use that for your personal projects.
Okay.
Just go experiment and create a very interesting kind of effects. No, you can get so
Okay.
much interesting effects you can give. Use those.
Right.
That give very
Right.
nice, interesting result you will get. See
Okay.
this. See this kind of. Okay.
Okay.
Just type lens effect and you get lots of effects.
Fine.
And take high res, huh? Just to
Ah.
make a note.
Ah.
Take a high res one.
Okay.
It's good. Okay. Now it's up to
Yes.
you.
Okay.
I think day view we have completed. Anything
Okay.
else is left? Just ask me. We will
Okay.
try to cover that also.
Fine, sir.
But from my side, this is what I have done for my project, and that what I have told to you.
Okay.
Okay, Prasanna.
Okay.
Now practice that. Do it
So,
right now.
and fine, one more thing, sir. Now, should I save it in JPEG or should I save it in PNG?
Yes, yes, yes. First of all, PSD is your basic file that should be
Yes,
there,
yes. PNG is
and
correct.
JPG is a low res. Okay, try to save in
Okay.
PNG if you want to show your client or something. Then
Okay.
save in PNG, and
Fine.
if you want to upload or somewhere, then JPG.
Okay.
Okay, JPG will
Okay.
give you reduce the quality as well. As well, the file
Okay.
size will reduce.
Okay.
PNG will maintain the quality. What file size
Fine.
will be slightly high,
Okay.
but PNG will maintain the quality. It will not reduce the quality.
Okay.
Okay, so that is there.
Okay.
Other than that, the vegetation is looking natural. The road reflection on road is looking natural.
Fine, sir.
Only thing is little bit of lens flare, a little bit of extra element. If you can add, it will
Okay.
give a very nice result.
Okay.
Yes.
So the this side is a better area. I'll just try to share this file, sir. I will see how it's going to come. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Do it.
Share that. PNG. I'll take desktop. Can see the screen, sir?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. I can see your
Hello.
screen. Yes. 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 I can see your screen.
You can see. So this is enough, no, sir? The brightness and all everything.
Good. 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 Nice. 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 Just try the effect which I have told you.
Yeah,
The
I have
gloom
to try
effect.
with this one car,
Car
the
headlight.
lighting
Yeah.
stuff.
Try with car headlight.
Wherever the light exposures are there, I have to try with that.
Yes. 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 Yes.
And I think that even the street light should be done
The same way as you do
same
with
way.
the headlight. Now try to do that with the street light as well.
Okay.
Just
And
go.
rest I can increase decrease the colors, right? That
Yes, yes,
saturation.
yes,
uh,
yes.
So according to the
As
requirement, I can change the increase and decrease the color saturation.
yeah, color saturation increase and decrease as per your idea. Just do
Okay.
that.
Okay.
As of now, just create the headlight of the car. Whatever I have just
This
shown you the steps
just for one. So I have to bring the okay Photoshop. Sorry.
in Photoshop only. In Photoshop only.
Okay.
Go
I'll
there.
try to do this one, sir. Okay.
Yeah, create a new layer and just do it.
I have to bring the lens flare and do it.
Lens flare. Yes.
And I'll just do it for this also.
Reduce the radius of your brush. The
Okay.
brush size. Reduce the brush size. You can use do it with the bracket.
I'm trying to do it, but
Keyboard.
it's not. Yes, it's done now.
Yeah, keyboard bracket. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, perfect, perfect, nice, nice.
Right. And I'll do it for this lamppost.
Yes, for the lamp, both the lamp post. Okay. Right.
Yeah. So I'll download that lens flare and I'll try to add.
Yes, yes, just Google it out. You will get lots of them.
Yes, yes, sir. Lens effect.
Lens effect. Yes. Yes.
Okay. And anything else, sir? Yes, that's all. No?
No, good, good. That's good.
I will save this file, sir, before.
Yes, yes. Save it. Save it.
This I will add. I will change this one.
Oh, oh, what is that? The eyes?
Uh, IS, yes, IS. I have to decrease the light and I have to change the IS light.
Yes, yes,
Then
yes.
I'll
For the night view.
then
Yes.
another night wave. Then I'll take this final render.
Yes, yes,
Then
yes.
we'll do
Of
post
course.
production for this. Okay.
Yes. Try
I'll
to
take the
try to.
same.
Yes.
Pardon,
Tell.
sir?
Yes. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me.
I'll take the same render element
Yes. Same steps. Try to copy
and
the
I'll do
same
high resolution rendering.
high resolution rendering, and
Okay.
yes, yes. Same steps you can do.
With this part, I have to reduce it and color correction. I have to do it.
Yes.
Color I
Color.
have to more yellowish, and I'll try to take some different IS shape.
Yes. Yes. Of course. Of course.
So rest I'll retain as it is, and I'll do the final rendering.
Yes.
And
Try.
I'll change random windows.
Random window.
Image random windows. Try to change the random windows image.
Yes. Yeah, try to be as creative.
That's all.
Change
I will
some
try to do, sir.
random.
And I'll see if I can add more little of greenery here and there.
Yes, yes. Add some plant here
Add some
over
plants
right
here, and
side.
I'll
No,
here
it's
also.
little bit emptiness is there.
Little bit, yes, that I will try to fill it up.
Okay,
Small
okay,
plant. Okay.
okay, okay. Then anything else? Any query or anything else that I can help you, Prasanna?
So now I'll try to render this. Okay. And we'll do post production. I will try with some other projects also. Okay.
Okay,
The
okay,
post
fine.
production, and if I in case if I find any difficulties there, I'll ask you.